5, 4, 3. And the RD-180 engine roars to life. And liftoff for the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying the NRO L-38 payload for the National Reconnaissance Office. NRO systems continue to ensure vigilance from above. And you're hearing the voice of Rob Gannon providing launch vehicle ascent data. Let's listen in.
RD-180 continues to perform nominally. Continuing to operate nice and steady at 100% thrust on the RD-180. Mark event we're looking for is on closed loop on Atlas PU. Coming up in 5 seconds. And we've gone closed loop on Atlas PU. Engine's responding as expected to the change. Everything's looking good. Engine operating parameters look good. We are now approaching Mach 1. And the vehicle is now supersonic. Coming up on max Q.